Hello, my name is Richard Garcia, the owner of Superior Water Softeners. I started this company in 2007, almost 18 years ago. I started it after working as a sales representative for 3 companies in the San Antonio area. I left one company after another after the many complaints that I was receiving from customers I had sold water softeners to for price ranges of around $7,000 to $9,000. I couldn't understand why I was getting so many calls from unhappy customers. The issues that I was receiving calls about were systems breaking down within 1 year or 2 years. After charging somebody $7,000 to $9,000, systems were failing. I couldn't understand what the problem was. The other main issue was people saying, I can never get the endless feeling of a slickish feeling of soap that I can never get off my body when taking a shower. I couldn't understand this, so I was asking questions to these companies trying to understand the problems. I was told, for instance, the slickish matter was just the way that soft waters worked. Comes to find out that that's not true. The other thing was how we were charging $7,000 to $9,000, and then after the 1 year full warranty period, we were going back and charging $300, $400, and $500 to go and service equipment that was failing, and they call this normal and customary services for systems that were failing shortly after being installed. I decided I could create a better widget. But the bottom line is, we are going to be creating a video content library so that you can protect your family when it comes to the water that we're using today. We seem to be just getting the water dirtier and dirtier and dirtier. It affects water treatment devices grossly. It affects them. And they fail repeatedly because they're not properly cared for. You should be sanitizing water treatment equipment immediately after it's installed. And you should be flushing dirt, or at least the system that you buy should be designed to flush dirt out of itself on a regular basis. Failure to flush dirt out or to sanitize sets you up for repetitive service calls and system failures shortly after you have a system installed. Stay tuned for more information. Follow us. Richard Garcia here. God bless. Hope you're having a great day.